loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a typical day in the life of my wellness journey or wellness routine when I'm trying to be more healthier and also stay on track with my eating through the day and also working out. So I'm just showing you guys what I'll be having, which is going to be a few slices of toast, my vital protein, which I will be adding to my tea, some egg whites, which I just like to buy the carton of egg whites. If I don't have them, then I will just go ahead and use the regular egg, and then also a few slices of bacon. Usually I do throw my bacon in the oven, but on this day I did have a little bit more time, so I am going to cook it on the stove, and I am just using a little bit of the butter spray to fry up the bacon, and then I'll also be using that to make my egg. And like I said, usually in the morning times, I just put the vital protein into my tea or my coffee, whatever I'm having that day, first thing in the morning, so I do not forget to take it. And at that time, I also take my B12 vitamins, my apple cider vinegar vitamins, my Answer vitamins as well. Whatever type of vitamin that I'm taking or supplement, I do take it first thing in the morning so I can remember to stay on track and take it. I do like to add some type of fruit with my breakfast, either some pineapples or some cuties, just something simple to go with my meal. And I also do sprinkle my eggs every now and then with a little bit of cheese. Now on to lunch. I'm making my own style of a little quesadilla, and I'm just using the chicken breast in the can, and I'm using the gluten-free wraps along with some cheese. Just something simple. I cut up some green peppers and also some onion. So I'm just mixing everything together. I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of the lime juice or the lemon juice. It actually gives it a little bit more flavor. And then you guys are gonna see how I'm gonna cook it on the stove. And this is something simple that you can make for a snack. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So this is something that I have been enjoying making, and I just wanted to share it here with you guys. You can definitely eat this as it is, but I do love pairing it with the salsa sauce. It tastes really good. And then instead of having plain water, I'm actually going to be pairing this with one of my ice drinks. And I think this was the classic lemonade. It tastes so delicious. An easy afternoon snack, definitely a protein smoothie. If you like chopping up your own fruits and vegetables, that's great. For me, sometimes I just like buying the freezer vegetables or fruits and just throwing them in the jar and blending them up. It's much easier for me. And I also like to sprinkle it sometimes with honey, even cinnamon. You just add whatever you like to it, and voila, you have your afternoon snack. And it's also a good pick-me-up before you take a workout. This was definitely a bonus added in. I was going to make a cinnamon crunch banana bread, and I just thought I'd share it with you guys here. I definitely have the recipe linked in my Pinterest, so you guys can definitely follow me over there to get that. One tip that I can give you is that I do plan ahead for the workouts that I want to do that week. So I'll decide if I want to do it for the full week, if I want to do it for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. That makes it a lot easier for myself, not having to try to figure out what I want to do. Alright guys, so I just finished my workout. Basically, the workout that I'm doing is one that I got off of my Pinterest. If you follow me over my Pinterest, I've had a lot of different workouts on there, plus a lot of different other things, meals, stuff on home decor, everything, just all my interests, things that I like to do. So, see my little one back there. So yeah, I basically did 3 sets of these. This was my last set that I was showing you guys, so it was a struggle for me to get through it. As it goes on through the week, basically, it is more difficult. The workouts increase by numbers each day, so it gets harder and harder. Last week I started it, supposed to do 6 days. I actually only did 4 or 5. I had some stuff going on, so I didn't get to do that. This week I'm going to try to push forward and get those in. When I'm not doing this, I definitely will still be doing my treadmill and also getting outside when I can. Summertime's coming up, so weather here is warm. And I'll also be getting some swimming in on the times that I don't have my hair blown out or anything like that. And definitely remember to take your water. I did show you guys a few meals that I do eat during the day when I am trying to work out and stay more healthy. Things do change up. I like to keep it as simple as possible. I know meal prepping is good. Sometimes I honestly don't get to meal prep, or I honestly sometimes get tired of certain foods, so I don't do too much meal prepping. But if it's something that I really want, I probably will start getting more into that, maybe doing it a couple days out, maybe 2 to 3 days out of the same type of food. I'm actually about to go cook up a meal for myself for dinner, and I'm just going to be using a already put together packet, but it's a healthy choice, and I'm going to be adding some shrimp that I seasoned up last night to it. So that's what I'll be eating for dinner, and I'll show that to you guys. And I've been using the 310 shakes. I'll leave that link below if you guys want to check that out. I actually need to do another order so I can get a bigger jug of the meal replacement shakes to add to my foods. I just finished up my samples. They are actually very good, so definitely check them out. I wouldn't give you guys any links to anything that I'm not using myself, so try that out. And I actually did buy some apple cider vinegars from Home Goods the other day, and I should be going back there, so I'll probably pick some more of those up because they're actually really good as well. And they're just doing my my collagen powders. I'm doing my skincare, just things to try to better myself inside and out, give me more energy, keep me on my toes because my days are strenuous. I do a lot of lifting with my daughter and things like that, so just trying to keep up with all the kids and getting things done. But enough of rambling. As long as you guys try to get maybe 10 minutes to an hour a day, and maybe 3 times, starting out 3 to 4 times a week, I think you'll be good, just to keep up on your health and also just your energy. These really help me out because it helped me keep up my energy. And like I said, today I actually was feeling, that's for the little thing that Mason, hold on. Today I was feeling really tired, so I laid down for 30 minutes after work, got up, got the kids their food, and I said, I'm going to continue on and work out. So I pushed myself and I got it done, and I feel great. Enough rambling. I'm going to go let you guys see what I'm going to prepare for dinner. And definitely remember, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video. I don't share a lot of these, but I will be incorporating these more along with my regular day-to-day of the cleaning videos, day in the life, decor, organization, those type of things. So definitely, if you think something you like and all around thing on my life, basically, definitely subscribe. I'm so tired, y'all. I don't even know what to say right now, but let me show you guys what I cook. Dinner. This is to make the sauce. I'm gonna actually make the sauces on the back of this packet. I don't have Dijon mustard, but I'm just gonna make do with what I have. Usually you could just throw this in the skillet and cook it, but I'm gonna add some of that stuff to it. And I'm not gonna put whole onions. I'm just gonna do onion powder, salt, parsley. But this is what it looks like. I think I got this from Publix. So you guys can see what it has in it. And first I'm going to actually just go ahead and put the shrimp inside the pan with some butter and let that cook, and then I'll add this, but I'll show you guys. This is the end result, you guys. So delicious. And I just topped it with some cheese. And I also was able to get a couple days of food prep out of it. And I'm just showing you guys my dinner. See you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed.